I'm back. I'm gonna make another one. When it's a bad day, it's a bad day. Work wasn't the greatest today, and as you see, I don't have a canopy over my car anymore. I've had it for a week, maybe at most, and it's already ruined. Luckily, I bought a protection plan for it, so when it rains, it pours. How's it going? No, I'm gonna fix it. My neighbor came out. He told me if I get another one, he'll help me secure it. That's what that was. He's a great guy. I really like my neighbor. It's rare you get to have good neighbors anymore. But yeah, I have a picture of it my grandma took. I didn't take one when I got home. I just went straight to taking it apart with disappointment. But I'll get a new one tomorrow, I think they said. Not a big deal. Totally free. But I plan on working on the car a little bit more, make myself feel better. So that'll be something I do. I'll clean it out and maybe take the another seat out, get in there and clean it real good, like a professional. All right, time to get to work. I'm yawning and falling asleep. I have a long day tomorrow, so I need to relieve some stress. I'm gonna do a time lapse and I'm gonna clean out the car. Hopefully it'll be really cool after I put it together. Already it's looking a load better, a lot cleaner in here. It almost doesn't look like it's been abandoned the past 2 years. I gotta work on getting the hatch open. I don't have a key to the doors and it's electronic, which means new battery for sure. The battery on this is most definitely shot. However, the car is definitely much cleaner than it was before, but I'm very happy with it. And I mean very happy. I used to keep this thing pretty meticulously clean for a 19-year-old back in the day. Looks like I got some extra stuff here and there. Oh, I forgot about this little turtle. Yeah. I don't know what this, oh, probably my radio. It's high tech. But, you know, I'm real happy. Oh, this goes to that. But I'm real happy. Definitely motivating myself more and more every day to get back to work on this car. But yeah. Next is definitely the trunk. Let's see if I can get it open. If not, I'll call it a day. I'm starting a business soon, and this afternoon I plan on registering the LLC. But I'm having fun with this whole recording thing and like doing the angles. I actually just bought a GoPro, which is why it's a little bit better than I guess my first video was. But I look forward to recording more things, and hopefully I get a lot less fidgety down the road as I continue to vlog my personal life. Maybe next time I'll tackle my trunk. I don't feel like doing it today, but next time.